welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, I'm Mostly Collectibles. So today, well, it is Christmas 2025. So I did get some new fidgets and some other bits, but today I'm going to just show you the fidgets. Before we get started, I would challenge for you watching, especially you that like Christmas. So the challenge is to like, click the sub button to person for glitches in 5 seconds. Here does a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, thumbs up if you did it. Well done. Let's go into the video. So really, I haven't got but a couple of things Santa Claus didn't bring me, but that's alright, don't worry. So first up, the Atomic Tango. I like this one. Next up is this pink needle. No, isn't that? Yeah, pink needle. Or is it? The sun's coming from there. That pink needle. It's really nice. Next up, we have this airfield squishy. Then we have this pink, purple, and white tangle. Then we have this blue, red, and white tangle. And then we have Crazy Anne's Playful Puppy Thinking Putty. And then we have this squishy. Yeah, this squishy. And then I have this vegetable mochi. Have this axolotl squishy. And I have this duck squishy. Sugar ball squishy. Then we have this orange stress ball. Then we have this really cool fidget spinner. And then we have this. It's attached with a little piece of string. Hold on, I really want to try one ASMR with a fidget. I don't know if it's going to work for this. So I got this new microphone. And this is going to work. Hello? Oh, it's not charged in. I have to save that until later. But anyway, let's carry on. We have this spiky stressful. And then we have this cat stressful. And then we have this little tiny sugar ball heart stressful. And we have this ginormous snake tangle. We have this very, it's broken. We have this very pink tangle. We have this green stress ball. We have, I don't know if it's the same, yeah it is, but I like these so much. And we have this thing. We have a hot dog mochi. Then we have a capybara slushy. You can't see the eyes there, there. And then we have this strawberry stress ball. That's a little stress ball. And then we have a duck sugar ball. And then we have this little rhinoceros mochi, yellow sugar ball. And then we have this vampire thing. We have a pet candle. And then we have a diamond sugar ball. And then we have a bear sugar ball. And then we have a yellow heart sugar ball. And then the favourite, we have this one. So yeah, Merry Christmas, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas Boxing Day. Bye!